Gang, 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 what it is. Mook in the V, back with another video, back with another banger, and we got something special for y'all today, man. I'm gonna show y'all this toy. I know y'all see the title. I know y'all see that thumbnail, so y'all already know how I'm coming. My man's about to pull up in a second here. Alpina Al. If you ain't checked him out already, go and check him out. He the one driving that Alpina thing. He the one that got that Tesla thing. He the one that got that crotch rocket thing. And now he got this. Whee! Yes, sir. Ooh, this joint right here. Mm-hmm.
Hey, that tool just did another to this boy. Like crazy, boy. Super crazy. Super crazy.
They're going crazy. Mm-hmm. I already know, man. Y'all gotta go check my man channel out, Alpina Al, man. Go ahead and let them know, man.
Alpina Alex G on YouTube.
Yes, sir.
Finna go crazy on the channel. I'm telling you, I got about 50 videos in the lockbox.
That's no cap right there, neither, man. This man been hoarding it. He been hoarding all the videos, man.
Hey. I'm trying to release them. I'm trying to release the good stuff so y'all can first start watching. Then I'll release all the other good stuff.
He new to it. He gonna take over soon, though, man. We all going up. Oh, y'all done already popped them joints out.
Oh yeah, I'm already moving stuff. Oh yeah, I already start moving stuff.
I'm finna close the door, man. I'm ready to take a ride.
Like a car seat.
Oh, I ain't know. Come on, man. It's hot. This thing right here costs the same money as my Jeep.
Hey, they ain't got no power seats in here, but it's all good.
You shifter right here?
Yeah. Same as the car. Oh, push it down.
Push what down?
Just push the whole shifter down.
Oh, okay.
Boom. So for the car thieves, we're gonna leave that little part out.
Okay, I see it up there. All right. Yeah, this bitch about as low as the bed.
That's what I said. Hey, I be right next to all the little drops. Hey, so when you pull off slow, you'll get the feeling. Let me go and let me put my head against the seat now, spread. It's all good.
Ooh, that bitch sounds crazy.
Yeah, I mean, boy. You know, hey, wait till you get to the spot.
Oh, hell yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh,
hey,
yeah.
I'm telling you, boy. Hey, I'm telling you.
Yeah, that motherfucker sounds great. So it feels better than how it felt before.
It's gonna make the exhaust go crazy.
I'm talking about since you put the tune on.
Oh my God.
It's already whipping.
Oh man, you don't even, man, like head snapping. That, hey, crazy.
Oh, good.
Hey, I'm telling you, hey.
This joint right here is crazy.
Hey, tell me, boy, hey, this is crazy. Yes, sir.
I'm gonna take it around the long block one time. Hey, yeah, I see why you be trying to get out. Hey, you be trying to get out of work to get to this joint. I understand now.
Hell yeah.
Man, hey, I'm addicted to that sound.
You like that turbo?
Yeah, that sounds beautiful. Man.
Hey, I'm telling you, man, listen. I know you was doing your recording, you was doing your footage, you ain't even peep game, Reese. You ain't even peep game.
What is that?
You see it? You see it?
Oh, yeah.
That motherfucker gonna be over here. That motherfucker gonna be following this bitch.
You can flip the camera, the screen up if you want to look at yourself.
Oh yeah, ain't no need. No need. Vanderhall point of view, that's all.
Man, this joint right here is nasty. out while I'm pulling through.
Well, somebody blew a bomb off when I was at the bank. I was there, y'all motherfuckers about to get blew at.
Man.
Better quit playing.
Yeah, you get some subs in this joint and have this
man,
right?
just wait. Hey, just wait. I was waiting on my radio to come in.
Two hands on this joint.
You know what the hell we don't need no copyright. You heard, you know what it is. Yeah, this motherfucker, it's a lot of fun, man.
Yeah, for real. Man, I gotta get me some toys.
Man. I was supposed to be out on the damn on a ride with the guys on the bikes tonight. I
just on Catfish Live. They out there kicking it over there in Crestwood. All the old schools out.
Oh yeah, okay.
I'm thinking about riding over there. Man, I wish I ordered that injector today. Injector coming tomorrow. Yeah, oh my God, it's coming though. They do it every Friday. The injector come tomorrow. Man, that should be the last thing. I done ran that whole fuel system. That should be the last thing, man. The other injector shooting, so pop that old one out, put that one in. That mark should be up and running. I'll be side by side with you. We about the same height in this mark, for real.
Sir. Good thing both got good brakes, ain't it? Yes, sir.
So cold.
Hey, I think he like it.
Man.
I think he like it.
Hey, after we get the Jeep fix and some more things, we gotta get us a Vanderhall.
Yes, sir.
This joint gonna steal the show. You gotta get, this joint, man. Get that little wrap on this mark. Get Alpine to Alex in the front of that joint.
I'm thinking about something. We don't hey, let me get my toes.
Yeah, I'm gonna go off my phone though. We got extra just in case.